Xander,
What?
I heard that there is an old abandoned skid steer in the woods somewhere.
Why?
You think we can try to find it?
Yeah.
See if we can get it working? Alright, let's go find it.
Keep your eyes peeled.
I don't see it yet.
You want to find it.
You gonna find it? Got a lot of briars.
Briars.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa.
See if you see a skid steer anywhere.
I think we need to look for some tracks.
Oh.
Let's see if it's in the barn. I don't see anything up there. I see the tractor. Not a skid steer.
See it? Where? I don't see it.
It's not in the barn.
I see some tractor, but are those
Whoa.
tires for me?
No, I think I see some tracks down here. Are we going down this way? Let's see. Keep our eyes peeled. See anything?
What the?
See it? Oh, there's some tracks. Here, let's hop out. See where they go. Oh, they look like skid steer tracks to me. What do you think, Xander? Look! There it is! Do you want to see if we can get it started? Alright, come on. Oh, you want me to try? Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing started. It looks pretty old. Got all kinds of dirt in here. An old fly or a bee or something. Alright. Oh! Whoa! This thing is awfully dirty. Let's see. Let's look around. I see a little handle here. It doesn't do anything. There's some buttons up here. Some more buttons. I think this is supposed to close. Oh look! It's a little dirt dauber nest. A little bee nest in here. This thing has been here a long time. Let's see. Maybe this says stop, so maybe if we turn it. Oh, it did something. It turned on. Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. I think this will adjust how fast it'll go, maybe. Let's try to push this button. Oh, it's doing something. It says cold. Maybe we need to let it warm up for a minute. Let's see. I think if I pull this. Oh, look, it works the bucket. Okay, so the bucket works. Let's see, maybe this will work the traps. It's moving, you guys! Alright, let me set up this camera so you can watch as it pulls out. Let's see, let's put our bucket down. Oh, and look, I think it doesn't say cold anymore, so I think maybe we can get it going better. Yeah, perfect. Alright, you guys. Let's see. All right, you guys, we did it. We got it unstuck. Take a look. It's a little dirty, but I think it works just fine. So let's see what we need to do. I think there's a tree that has fallen over, and maybe we can use this to help pick up some of the pieces and move it out of the way. Let's go see. All right, gotta put my harness on. Let's turn it on. Perfect. You did? All right, you guys. So I found this tree right here is blocking our path through here. So I think we need to try to use this skid steer and move that tree out of the way. You think it'll pick it up and be able to move it? I don't know. Let's find out. All right. I'm gonna hop back in here. All right, gotta put my little safety harness over. Let's turn it back on. Push this button here. Okay. Now let's see. Let's lift up our bucket. This log looks pretty heavy. Be really careful. Let's see. Put our bucket down. Let's see. All right. I think we hooked it just right. Let's pick it up. Let's turn over this way. Oh no, it fell off. Try it again. Get this down. Let's see if we can scoop it up a little better this time. There we go. Let's try to turn it over this way. Oh, it keeps falling off. What are we gonna do, you guys? I don't think we're gonna be able to get it out of the way. I have an idea. Let's go around from the other side and see if we can get it that way. Push it out of the way this way. Let me give it a little bit more gas. Alright, now I'm going to lower my bucket. Let's see. Oh, look at that, you guys. It's pushing it, it's pushing it. Oh, look at that. It pushed it out of the way. Alright. Look at that bucket, how high it goes. Whoa! It was so full of dirt. Alright, now let's see if our trail is clear. Let's see if we can go all the way around. Oh, watch out for the limb. Here we go. Look at that. It's clear. We did it, you guys. Good job. Let's go park it in the barn. Head on to our next adventure. You guys, thanks for your help today.